Hi friends, I am Uday Sagar Kandpal and I welcome you back to yet another lecture on Java using Netbeans IDE. So in the previous two lectures we have learned how to calculate the sine and the cosine of the function using the Taylor-Maclaurin series. Today we will learn how to calculate the tan of a function using this previous sine and cos function. So the property of tan function is that tan function is equal to sine of x upon cos of x. So we will create a tan function by just copying the sine function. We can also calculate tan using the Taylor-Maclaurin series, but we will exploit this property of tangent. So basically tan of x is equal to sine of x upon cos of x. So we just rename it as tan and remove all this, and tan is equal to sine of x divided by cos of x. Now sine of x by cos of x can be infinity when cos of x is 0, so that we will talk about later part of the video. Let's first calculate the tan function for all the values. So we have this. We now need to calculate. So I just ran the code and it's showing an error, and it's showing the error because it is not able to calculate the string round function of infinity. So we will, if cos of x equal to 0, we will return tan as it is. Now let's run. So it is displaying that 0.0, tan of 0 is 0.0, tan of pi by 2 is infinity, tan of pi by 3 is 1.732, tan of pi by 4, that's 45 degrees, is 1, which is correct, and tan of pi by 6 is 0.577. So we have calculated the value of tangent correctly using the sine and the cos functions. So hope you like my video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.